Hello my wonderful creators. Welcome to Healthy and Happy. I'm Asi Efres and today I'm going to share with you my skincare product that I use as massage oil, as serum and as even light SPF on my skin every day. So many of you asked me what I use on my skin to look younger and today I'm going to share it with you. So for this orange peel lotion, we'll be needing 2 oranges, and here I have 2 organic oranges, 1 carrot, 12 bay leaves. We'll be needing 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and here I have organic virgin coconut oil, unfiltered and cold press. And we'll be needing 8 tablespoons of olive oil, and here I have this beautiful Botticelli olive oil. We'll be also needing a glass dish to combine our ingredients, a few spoons, measuring and mixing spoons, a little grater, I love this one, and a vegetable peeler. So first let's wash our oranges. And here we have a pitcher of water. Let's place our oranges in the dish and fill it with water. And sprinkle some baking soda. So we will wash these oranges very thoroughly because we don't want any harmful ingredients or if there are any chemicals get into our body. Now let's dry them. Let's dry them with the paper towel. Very nice. Now we are going to peel our carrot. I'm using my favorite vegetable peeler for that. Okay, fantastic. And now let's take the peel off the oranges. I can feel the fragrant aroma of oranges. Oh my god, I love it so much. Now when we grated orange peel from both oranges, let's transfer the peels into our glass container. I like to pick up every single drop of this orange goodness because it's really just amazing for you. And let's grate a carrot using the same grater. And that should be enough. It's about 1 tablespoon of carrot, grated carrot, and I'm doubling my recipe, so you definitely, it's enough. It's enough for even double recipe. You don't have to grate the entire carrot. Now we have our grated carrot and orange peel here in the container. Let's add 12 bay leaves. We'll break them apart just like that. And as I said, this is double recipe. So I will put in my notes a double recipe which you can make for your face and entire body, or just a single recipe with the peel from just 1 orange. Now it's time to add our oils. Here I have a olive oil, and we are adding 8 tablespoons. Okay, here we've added our olive oil, and now let's add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. and today is pretty hot here in New York, so our coconut oil is completely liquid. So let's pour it. 1 and 2. Beautiful. Let's gently mix all ingredients. And now we're going to place it in the boiling bath. After we kept our mixture in the boiling bath for 1 hour, we carefully remove it from the pot. Make sure that the glass is not hot. And let it cool to the room temperature. And now when our mixture has completely cooled, let's strain it into a separate dish, and I'm using this mesh bag. I don't even know where I got it from, but it's super convenient. So now we're just pouring the entire mixture into this separate container. And now let's strain it carefully, but very thoroughly. Let's just keep twisting and pressing. And it's a great strength exercise for your wrists. See how beautiful and smooth it is, and the aroma is just amazing. I love how it smells. Once ready, you can transfer it in cosmetic jar or any type of jar you have in the house. A small one like this one is a small mason jar, and I like to use larger jars when I use this lotion for my body. And use this spatula to get every single little golden drop into your jar. And then we put it in the refrigerator, and you can keep it there until you use up all the lotion. And I use this amazing lotion to moisturize my skin. As you can see, it's beautiful, moisturizes the skin amazingly well. It also reduces dark spots and gives your skin a fantastic, amazing glow. And now you can see how beautiful the orange peel lotion looks in the cosmetic jar. It's very convenient to use. Just open the jar and scoop a little bit of lotion on your hand and oil on your face. It's perfect for face massage. It brightens your complexion and gives you this beautiful, youthful glow. And also you can use it on your neck and really all over your body. So enjoy, and hopefully you will make this lotion at home. And if you find this content useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to see more videos from Healthy and Happy. I'm Asi Efras. Thank you so much for watching.